12:30 at night p.m. And shit. So today I was supposed to run today, but I just feel so tired. Like I just feel so sleepy. I was like, I need to like rest my eyes or something. This was a bad idea. I should have just went running, but I just feel like my whole body just feels fucking sore as hell, especially my legs. But I need to get up. Like I was like, no, I don't want to go to the gym today. Like I actually want to run. So, and then not only that, but I totally forgot to take my pre-workout. And I was like, the day that I forget to take my pre-workout, today is like one of the days where I really, really need it. But yeah, I don't know why, but I've just been sleeping really late lately and just can't really sleep. But yeah, I need to get up so I can go run, but I don't want to. I really don't want to, you guys. Like, you have no idea. But I'm gonna go before it gets dark. So yeah, wish me luck.
So I ran a little over 4 miles. I'll try to post a picture somewhere around here. But after my 3rd mile, like the first 3 miles was pretty good. I think I did pretty decent pace. But after the 3rd one, going on into the 4th, I was like, yo, okay. I really slowed down and it was getting dark. But as you can see, I look like a red tomato right now. Oh my god. I should sleep good tonight, hopefully. I go to sleep early. I need to go to sleep early today. You guys want to know what, like, the best time of the day is? Just, like, coming home from a long day of work. Is to be with this one. Do you guys hear her snoring? Nola, say hi to the YouTubes. Thumbnail. Wait. Isn't she the cutest? She agrees. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, I'm super lazy and I'm about to get up because I gotta walk that one. Be right back. Hey guys, okay, so I just took a shower. So I feel a lot better. And yes, if you guys didn't know, I wear contacts. So at night, I switch out into my glasses. But anyways, so I just had dinner, but I am craving like something sweet, but I don't want to eat something totally bad. So this is my little healthy hack snack, which is basically, this is totally weird too, because I do not like this. I've never liked this, really. Okay, I've liked it, but not just alone. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a knife. There's no knife. Wait, found one. So my guilty pleasure is basically peanut butter. This is I actually bought this for Nova, but I don't know. She's not like, I'm not gonna give her peanut butter every day. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna grab some peanut butter and a banana, yo. So literally, I just like peel the banana, and then you guys, it's so weird that I'm eating peanut butter. Like, if you really know me, like know me, you know that I do not like peanut butter. But I'm over here eating peanut butter. Okay, this looks so wrong. Let me cut it. Okay. Why do I dance every time I'm eating? That's how you know you're a foodie. But it is so good. Like, maybe this is not the healthiest peanut butter, but who cares? I don't need to be like super duper 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 healthy. Just need to watch what I eat. Do you guys hear Nova? She's like, what about me? I should give her a little piece. Nova, do you want, like, she's gonna take forever to eat it. She's gonna be like, what the hell is this? Watch. 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 She gonna be like, what the? Maybe, hold on, let me get her bowl. Because I don't want to put it on the floor. Let me get her bowl. See if she eats it. So I'm just giving her a little piece of banana with peanut butter. Hold on. Come on. Does he go to me? Eat it. She's like, what the hell? She's just licking the peanut butter off the banana. She be so suspect every time I try to give her like human food, you know, but like, you know, obviously something that she can eat, but she's so suspect every time I try to give her something that it's not like dog food. She's just licking the peanut butter off. Maybe she can't grab the banana. She just like the
2 hours later.
hurry up. Stop looking at it. There you go. She's like, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Literally took like 5 minutes just to eat that little piece. Nova is such a brat. Really? Bite it! Jeez. Wow. Wow. See? Really? Oh my god. Jeez. Wow, she still has a little bit there. Oh my god. She's like, what the fuck is this? Nova, there's no more. Can you stop looking at the plate? Was that yummy? Okay, she took like forever just to eat that little piece. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Tune in tomorrow. Yay, tomorrow is Friday.